Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, I finally bought my first camera. Best Buy said it'd be ready in an hour. As soon as I did the curbside pickup, it was ready. So I'm a little late to Best Buy, but it doesn't matter. But we on the way. We're gonna get this camera, and then I have to go to my parents' house so I can get my ring light. Okay, so let's go. Cute Adidas, and they're waterproof. Like, and they match the visits. Like, come on with it. Guys, I got it. I would like for it to be in the bag, just ride around with these electronics. I like this, but we'll be okay. Also, when y'all get these jobs, can y'all at least pretend like you like your job? Like, great customer service, like Chick-fil-A, you know, makes us feel good as customers, you know. I'm just saying. But anyway, let's go get my ring light. I left my parents' house, and we finna go play this camera. All right, guys. So I'm back with my ring light. Ring lights be so hot. They be so hot. Oh my gosh. Sorry. And this glare on my glasses. Ugh. It's hot. Let's get the air on. Okay. So let's unbox this, y'all. So right now I'm recording with terrible light. The light in my room is terrible, and it's dim, and it's one light, and I just have my ring light in the front camera. I don't like this shadow, but it's all good. But this is the camera I got, the Canon EOS M50. So let's unbox it, and let's try it out to see how good the quality is compared to my iPhone. And I also got 128 gigabyte memory card. And let me tell y'all, this memory card did not work. This is what Best Buy suggested. Yeah, I got from Best Buy. From Best Buy suggested I get in a tripod. You know what? I fell for the suggestions because why not? Like, I'm not. So the camera was $713 after tax for the camera alone. So let's open it. And they got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Yes, this is supposed to be a really good camera. This is the instruction manual. You can register your camera. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. And I'm not really techie, but you know, somebody who's like me, who's not super techie, but you do, you know, you want to see something, a video that you can understand. This is what this is. So it comes with a little neck strap. This would be good if I was like out and about. Put my little camera on and just, you know, put around naked. You know, a vlog. This is a really big camera to vlog with, but it was so many cameras that I was trying to get that was smaller, but nobody had them. So what is this? Oh, this is a lens, honey. Lenses get expensive. Give y'all an up close and personal with the lens. So this is the lens. Don't ask me no tech question about it. I don't know. Look like there's some zoom features. I know you can pull this off. That's beautiful. Look how clean. You know how something just so new to look like, just nice and clean. Like, yes, this is it. It's giving what it's supposed to give so far. All praises. Okay. So put that back up. We also have, I hope it's an extra battery, that'd be great, but it might just be the battery. It comes in a little baggie like that. This is the battery charger. Little bag, everything nice and secure. And it was so quick, y'all. Despite the girl not loving her job. Oh, it's not that big. That's perfect. Let me show you. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who's it from. Okay, but not for real. It's not that big. This is not that big. Drop the song. This is not that bad.
This is not that bad. This is not that bad.
Another little baggie, so it's in bubble wrap in a little baggie. Oh, I don't want no fingerprints on it. It looks so good. It's so small. It's perfect. It's perfect size. Look, so many features that your girl really don't know how to work for real. And you got your viewfinder. I don't know how to, yeah, I usually have long nails. I don't know how to work without long nails. Viewfinder, it's so nice and clean. Is it rotated? Can you rotate this one? No. You should be able to. Yes, you can rotate it. I feel like I've used this camera before in college. No, it was way bigger. I don't know. But I've used a couple cameras in college that I love, and it's reminded me so much of it. Okay, so many functions, blase, blase. So many functions, so excited. It looks nice and clean. Just twist it off. That's all I did. Just twist it off. Love it. I wonder how it looks without the lens if you record. Probably looks like nothing. So I'm gonna attach the lens. I need to get a carrying case, and also comment some other things y'all think I need to like get. Maybe I keep the lens cap on until I'm ready to use it. So pop the back off. I'm such an amateur. And oh, wait a minute. Which side the lens? Well, of course, that's, never mind. Line that up. Little clicky click, that's how you know what's on there. Remove the lens. I'm sure it's just not charged. So I'm going to charge it really quick and watch some YouTube videos. Watch some YouTube videos and come back and show y'all what the quality look like compared to this, which doesn't look bad on the iPhone. But sometimes you upload iPhone, you get two versions. You get it real good and you get just real weird. All right, come right back. Okay, y'all, I am exhausted. I'm so tired. Teacher life is getting to me. So obviously this is a different day. It's around the same time. Not really, the sun hasn't set yet, but I wanted you guys to see this quality. You can see how crusty my lips are. Ooh. You can see how crusty they are. You can see this little bug bite. You can see my nappy hair. Okay, so I gotta play with some settings and stuff and see how to work my camera, but I think I made a good investment, y'all. The glasses does not aid to the ring light. Actually, let's play with some lights before I let y'all go. So this, my ring light's on 50. With this setting, let's get to about 100 and see what it look like. It's like a warm setting. This is really bright. It's like, ooh, out of focus. I love it. It's too bright. Let's bring it back down to 50. My lips are crusty, y'all. Let's do a cool light. Let's play some cool lighting. So right now it's on 3300. Let's still warm. Okay, this is cool. It's cool. Y'all can look at my lips. I look like in the car. I'm still moving, so I don't know if my lip products are right now, but all right. Peace out.